999. Oh, 1,000. Oh, easy. I need something bigger.
Three hours later.
You were in a tree for that shot. Right guys, today I'm taking it back to 2016 and we're going to see how many rubber bands it takes to blow up my friend Coco. I've got 785 rubber bands, so hopefully it's no more than 785 rubber bands. Let's find out. And this is band number 1. I'm going for this one of these. Oh my god, that's...
Yeah, it's quite hard to get on.
Yeah, Coco's going to get it. Band number 1. These ones are easier.
Yeah, these ones.
The coloured ones are a lot easier. How many do you think it's going to take?
600.
600.
Yeah.
Well, you just changed your mind. 600.
Yeah. What do you
I'm going to say like close to all of them, so I'm going to say like 700.
Like 700, 750.
What's all these noises going on?
I'm sticking with 650.
600. You just changed your mind again.
660.
660 is that what you
Okay, yeah,
actually...
final answer.
660, 700.
I'm going to say you do all of them and it
All of them and
All
it
of them,
doesn't. Well, that's the worst possible outcome actually. If we do every single band and it doesn't work. At least 10. That's a solid guess.
Yeah.
That,
That is good.
Okay, we've put on, how many bands do you think we've put on here now?
About 2.
Definitely more than 2.
20.
I reckon boys put out about 100 or something on, I reckon.
100.
You don't
Nah.
think you don't think so?
Nah, that's about... Yeah.
You
50
think?
is a
I
good
think.
guess, to be
I
fair.
reckon we put about 100 on. Anyway, anywhere from 2 to 100 is what we've decided, right? These more heavy duty ones don't really go over it very nicely. We've got a stretching system going on to try and stretch out these bands before we put any more onto it, in the hopes that they will actually fit around the watermelon. Quick little check-in again. We're probably now at probably just under 300.
Yeah.
You reckon?
Yeah.
Because all of the
100%.
coloured ones were 310. 310, so I think we're probably at like 300. I don't think it's making much difference at all. What do you think?
To be fair, for a 360, it does like dent in a bit, you know, like it's making it a bit skinnier.
Yeah.
Oh, the snapping as it's going round. Hold on. There.
Right, so that's another one that's snapped. Oh, it looks like 2 have snapped there.
No, that's just.
Nah, this orange one, look.
Oh damn.
So we've got
Get them
three.
up fast.
3 have snapped whilst being on it. A couple have snapped around the floor. The quality throughout this video is going to be very, very different. Maybe I should buy a camera. 2 likes and I'll buy a camera. That's a big fat lie. Definitely more than 300 now. Does it look like it's dinting to you guys? What do we think? I think it is actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely is.
I think it is. Let's keep going. So although you're watching this on a normal video, we've actually done this on live, and as we've said, okay, if we've got 50 likes on the live, Rooksy here would shave
Yeah.
everything. And
Go on.
we're now on 58, so it's
Yeah.
only fair. And someone
Shut down,
unliked.
vodka.
That's good. It's good.
Go
Well,
on,
good for
see.
you.
200 likes. I go bald.
We've been losing quite a few bands, okay? So I think it's time I take this seriously and actually keep track of just how many bands we're losing. Right, whilst we wait for Dan to arrive, okay, I've got some things to try.
Yeah.
Ready? Oh my god, they're a lot lighter than I thought. Yes. Freeze-dried sweets. We got watermelon gummies and what are them ones?
Peach gummy rings.
Cheers. Cheers. That's kind of nice. Your face not so sure.
I think I would prefer it just as the original.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Real.
you don't. You don't like the freeze-dried aspect of it.
Like, it's nice. Like, oh, do you know what would be lovely if it was gummy?
Okay, peach rings. Cheers.
Cheers.
Mine up too.
Yeah.
Did you see?
I kind of like them, yeah.
I prefer this one.
Yeah.
Do you sacrifice a watermelon every day? Yeah.
I actually could not be bothered to do this every single day. I'm already struggling now. I'm just 400 in.
Do you know how they say like 600 to 1,000? I think it's all about the time the pressure's putting on it.
Right.
And the ones that are 600 just did it slow, and the pressure eventually caved
You
in.
think?
Whereas the one with 1,000, they were just rapid with it.
Yeah,
You know
so
what I mean?
it really, by slowing down and just taking our time, it's
Yeah.
actually going to benefit the process more.
Yep.
So what was your guess?
My guess was you weren't going to finish it.
That's looking quite
I think
reasonable,
it's
actually,
looking
isn't
quite
it?
likely.
Yeah.
Do I need to wet it? Do I need to wet my face like this?
I don't know, I've never shaved my face
I don't know, bro. It's been a while.
You could put conditioner in.
Our conditioner. Yeah.
Oh, echo!
Yeah. No.
What a new idea, guys.
You got a bit on my lip, bro.
Is that better, mate?
It's not good at all. It's not a good scenario.
This is where we're at now. I think probably about 500 is on here right now, but it's started
And
to
my
leak.
face is shaved.
And his face is shaven.
It's actually really wet.
I think we're getting somewhere. So juicy. Mooksy thinks this is about to blow. What, you reckon it just made a noise? Or?
Yeah. It was like going into it. You know what I mean?
Okay.
I'm scared now, bro.
I don't think it's going though. I think you're a big fat liar.
I'm just one of us dies. on
Right.
the stream,
So
bro.
now we're even going for my weight, Juhluhbuh.
Should I give it a good slap?
Yeah, give it a good slap.
Wait.
Here we go.
Yeah. You like that, bitch?
I'm stepping back now, bro.
What? You can feel it, yeah.
No. I can't feel it.
I broke another one.
Look at the water coming out the bottom of it.
Look at the crack. He's run away. He's run away again.
It's actually cutting my fingers, bro.
Yeah, but it's not. It's
Oh,
going. It's
oh
going.
my
It's
God.
going. It's going. It's going. It's going. It's
It sizzled,
Look.
bro.
It's going. It's going. It's actually going. Look.
It's sizzling. It's going. Zzz.
It's going
Am I
just really
shaking it?
slowly.
You reckon? I'm
Huh?
going to this elevated height.
It's going. It's going. It's going.
Happy New Year.
Oh, free watermelon, boys.
Get in it. You want some watermelon?
Oh, well.
Not much.
Watermelon rind, bro. Nothing tasty like watermelon, bro.
Delicious. Woo! Nice.
The next day,
Oh shit! I can't get it. The garden is cleaned. Everything is sorted. One thing is left. One thing is left. To count the rest of the rubber bands to see how many it actually took. We started with 785 rubber bands, and in the process we broke 18. So let's count these. My plan is to just make little piles of 10. That's 100. I did not need 785 rubber bands.
Were you worried that wasn't going to be enough?
Yeah, in the video you go, oh, I think you're going to use all of them, and it's not
still
going
not
to,
break.
and it's still not going to break. I actually think it's a lot less, like a lot less. It's fine now. $200. That's 300. What do you reckon? What do you guess that's going to be left?
I reckon there's maybe another 100?
I was going to say another 50. That's fine now. This is all that's left. And there is here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 in this one. Okay. So 38 times by 10, 380. So what's this? We've got 404 bands that were left over and or broken. If we started with 785, which means that it took
381.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Well, there you go. It took 381 rubber bands to blow up a watermelon. Slow-mo replay. Wasn't that cool? That was cool, wasn't it? Did you see that?
I saw that.
Yeah, that was cool, that wasn't it? That's a lot less than I thought. I made you buy nearly 800 rubber bands. £14 on rubber bands. Now I've got 404 rubber bands left over. So if anyone knows what I can do with 404 rubber bands, please let me know. But that's it. Thanks for rocking with us. Bit of a chaotic video, but I'll see you in the next one. See ya. Oh my god, can't count, man. Bye bye.